Alright guys, it's time to create our register user screen, so I hope you do it yourself. So what I will do is that I will just come to my register screen, but before I didn't create the register screen, I want you to do it by yourself because you already have everything. You have your auth slice, you have user API slice, you have a login screen. So everything you have in here, you will just use the register screen also. So I will just copy all of this data and I will just come to the register screen and I will just pass it here, okay, after the password. Okay, so I will just come and import this. Okay, use navigation, I will import that. Also I will import the use credential. Okay, I will also import that toast, that success toast. So I will just also import that use location. So I will just see also what else I need. That login, I don't need that because I have to use another one. So I will just use and add another one for that. Okay, I'm using here login mutation, right? I'm using this one. So that's gonna be our register mutation. Okay guys, so it's not gonna be like, it's gonna be like use register location, use register mutation. So I will come to my user API slice. So I will just copy this. So I will just name it a register. Okay, this is my API. I will get the API route, API controller. Okay, so that's gonna be like register. Okay, so this is gonna be API user is register, right? So I will just register my user. It's a boss method. So it's just the same. You have to check your routes, what you add that when you create your routes. Okay, so I'll just say use register. It's gonna be use register mutation. Okay guys, it's got all the rest are the same, but it's gonna be just, you know, you have to change the letter. Okay, whatever is that, you have to sometimes try by yourself. Okay, I will just import that use register mutation. It's gonna import my use register mutation, and this is gonna be register. Okay, this is gonna be like register. So I will just come here and I will just this one change into register. So also I will have to dispatch the user credential. Also I have to import that. I think I imported, but I don't have the dispatch. Okay, so I have to use that dispatch. Okay, I will say dispatch. Okay, I will say use dispatch. That is dispatching my, okay, that's dispatching my action user credentials. Okay, so I have everything set up. So I will just come to my, okay, register user screen. I have a name, email. I have the name and email, but as well as what I need in here, name, email, password. I need confirm password. Okay, but one thing I didn't include that is that when you want to register user, when you want to register a user, so you need also a department, right? So this is our controller. You need the department. So we have a model and we don't have that department. Okay, so what I will add that, I will just say, I will just add this one, add the department. Okay, like this is required field. So I will just add one more and I will make that here a company. So I will make it default user because I want this one. When the admin users, they want to update the user clearance, they want to change the which department they work on. So we just make the default. Okay, I will just make that default. It's gonna be like company, and that is gonna be the default. That every user, when they register in the dashboard, that they want to register themselves into the application, so they want to have default. Okay, default authorization that is gonna get, that is gonna be like inside the company. They work for the company. That means the rest, the admins, they will update the user clearance. Okay, and later on we will see that. So I will just come to my dashboard in the register screen dashboard. So when I come in here, then what I will do is that, okay, also I have a loader here. I include a loader here. Okay guys, it's just a small CSS, like, you know, using small tailwing CSS. So I have a loader here. Okay, that's not that much. I will include the link in the description, or you will get in the GitHub repo into the component. So you just have to copy and paste it here. So what I will do is that I will just use that loader, and I will just come to the register screen. Also I need confirm password. Okay, I will just copy that password and I will make this confirm. Okay, confirm, let me make that password, set confirm password. Okay, because we have to confirm that password. Okay, so we have to confirm that password. Okay, so we don't just wanna put only one password, also we need the confirm password. Okay, so I will just come to the password, I will just copy this div, so I will just add that field. Okay, so I will just make this one value will be confirm. Okay, that will be confirm password. That's what we did, right? Okay, set confirm password. This is gonna be set confirm password, and the label is gonna be like confirm password. Confirm, how that they spell? Okay, confirm password. Okay, and the type is password also. Okay, we just have to make this one also. This is submit, right? Okay, I will say it's loading. You have it's loading, right? Okay, I have the button. Let me say, I have the button. It's gonna be submit, right? I will just say I will open a curly braces. It's loading because we have that getting from. I wanna get if that is loading and registering my data into the database. I wanna get that loader for successfully, and I will import that. Otherwise, I will just make this one submit. Okay, and I just have to remove this, or that is gonna be like just the same. Okay, I have that successful. Okay, what I will do is that I will just try and come and test that my application is registering my user into the database. So you have to check always your backend also is running. Okay, my back is running, my front end is running, so don't worry about these errors. Okay, that are not something that can change something, so it's just something we import that we didn't use. Okay, so we have everything here, and what else that I have to change? I don't think I need. Okay, I have to here, we have to get the message that if the password doesn't match into the confirm password. Okay, if the password doesn't match, confirm password, I need to get the error says our password doesn't match. Okay, passwords don't match. Okay, do not match. Okay, and I will return that. That is not gonna go to the next line because it's gonna just get that error, otherwise will not execute, and otherwise it will not go to execute these lines. Okay, otherwise will not register our user to the database. But if that password they match and that match successfully, they will go to these lines and they will register our user. Okay, so and I will just navigate. Okay, I will just navigate to the dashboard. Okay, so I will save that, and I have no error here, and I will just say, okay, let me test it right now. I will just clear my network. Okay, let me just register a new user. Okay, we'll just test and create a new user right now. So I will just add the name. Let me put something. Okay, like okay, I will just add my name. Okay, Yusuf YMC. I will just say ymc@gmail.com, and I will just put the password. I will use incorrect confirm password. Okay, I will use incorrect confirm passwords because I want to get this error. Okay, password do not match. Okay, so I will just submit. Okay, you see that is error we get in there. Passwords do not match because we're using a wrong confirm password. Okay, so that our password doesn't match, so I will just remove that one character, so our password is match that 123456 123456. Then see, I will just submit. Okay, and I say submit. User path name is required. Why? Oh, we have only name here. Okay, we register him because we have to register also the name, everything, right? So in your controller we have like register user name, email, password, right? So we didn't pass our register into the name only. We have only name, and password. Also we have to add this one in the name. Okay, you getting a successful an error, guys. It means that our application is working, even our error handler is working, guys. So you just have to pass that, and I will just clear this out. I refresh once again because we change. We have to add something again. Okay, I will just say Yusuf YMC again, YMC at gmail.com, and I will just put the 12456 again, 123456. Then I will submit. Beautiful. My user is registered into the database. See that? That is registering user into the database. Okay, so I have my user here and it's registered successfully, and it's gonna give me the department to the company. Later on we will update the user clearance, that which department they work on, into the clearance when we have a user admin. Okay, so we have a user also, it's gonna save my user into the, let's say we have a user. Okay, also we also have to have our state readers. Okay, so into the company. Okay, department is not gonna save that, so I have a user here. It's supposed to also my user is registering successfully. That's what I want. And let me come to my controller. I think I pass it that user also generate token. Okay, we have it. Okay, it's gonna save successfully into the localhost. Okay guys, later on we will just do some polish into the our application because we have a lot of to do that. So my user info is here. Okay, I was just going like I have like user information, credential, everything is here. It's gonna save to my state. Okay, and I have everything successfully. I don't have any error. So what I will do that I will just polish a little bit because we have to get this username, everything,